Hi, it's Injury Attorney Ann Fong, and this is what you need to know. Today, we're going to discuss why cases go to trial, why some cases go to trial, and why some don't. And the biggest thing is that when a case is ready for trial, you've already done a lot in your discovery. You've taken depositions, written, oral, and the case is not moving, meaning either parties are not willing to settle or make an offer that the other party is willing to take. And so 95% of cases, civil cases, at least in California, do not go to trial. So that means about 5% of the time they do. So that's a very small percentage of the time. So most of the time we can settle cases pre-litigation without having to go to trial. And it's just that 5% time that we actually take it to a full trial. Now, in California, there's either a bench trial or a jury trial. The bench trial is heard by a judge on the bench. There's no jury. And the jury trial, obviously, it is with the jury. And so most of the time, it is to your benefit as a plaintiff in an injury case to go with the jury, because they will be the ones deciding the award that you will be winning, hopefully, right? And so in a trial case, they can take 2 days, they could take 2 weeks, they could take 2 months, depending on how big the case is, how much facts are involved, how serious the injury is. And that is it. Once the trial is over, it's over. The jury will read a verdict. There are ways to appeal, but that would be the end of the case. So if you have a case that is getting ready for trial, most likely it can go through, or it can even get settled the day of the trial. That happens all the time as well. So just because you have a case that's going to trial or supposed to go to trial doesn't necessarily mean that it will follow through. And lots of times that does happen. And so please don't ever go and do a trial yourself. Make sure you have an attorney, an experienced attorney. And that's what you need to know.